Hey folks, let's make money. I love property, as you know. I'm Australia's biggest property investor. I've been following property for 50 years. So, how to make money? Let's get into the market. What's the best time to get into the market? Right now. Now, there's going to be a lot of mistakes made by a lot of people who are piling in because they've seen the hype in the media where they're saying, rightly, that property's getting snapped up left, right and centre. And look at something today and it's gone this afternoon, and that is happening. Unfortunately, what also is happening is that 90% of people will arrive at pension with just 2 properties. Will that be you? That's because they haven't been set up correctly. And in the property club, we're alone looking after and protecting investors. So we are property financial planners. We look at you carefully to see that the first property is the right property, so you can keep building on top of it and top of it. Most people buy the wrong property in the wrong location with the wrong rental profile and the wrong type of construction and the wrong type of funding. So when we come across these people, we're going to spend 3 or 4 months unwinding what they've done to reset it again to get them going in the proper direction. So there's the big things that we can do for you. Yes, there's a lot of conversation out there about how property prices are going up, and they are. But it's buying in the right property, in the right location, with the right rental profile so you won't have long vacancies and not be able to pay your bank. With the right sort of funding so that you've got the lowest rate and that suits you for when rates are going to rise, and they are. Now about that market, they're very happy now to say property prices are going up. But who was saying it first? The property club. In fact, 12 months ago, we said looking at the fundamentals, that South East Queensland would go 20% in 2021. Everyone said, impossible. And in relation to low inflation, that is the biggest property jump in Australia's history. So we got you in nice and early. So if you haven't bought already from us, you've lost 3 months of growth. So that's happening while you're watching it. It's going up. But the right sort of properties in the right location is a vital thing to do. Our education is free. Come and get it. Have a check of what we're doing. If you want to go and buy somewhere else, that's fine. I'm interested in you getting a good foundation on the rest of your future. Now, we're ahead on where property prices are going to go up. We're ahead on this other factor, is that the government is going to pay back this $1 trillion they've thrown around because of this China flu. Who's going to pay it back? You are. As with the blood deficit, they found simply a way of increasing taxes on PAYG, because that's the big, vast majority of funds coming in from it, to pay for the deficit. So if your wages, crosshairs are on you, they're after you and your money. Now we make millionaires because we look at your whole situation. We're property financial planners. We find a way to reduce the amount of tax you're paying so you maximise the amount of money you're taking home. And that's the secret of our success. The other one is we put you in a property where we find the tenant, the tax man are paying all the bills. Peace of mind investment. So there you go. Get in now while you can. Get educated. Talk to our mentors. Get the free advice. We're here to help you now and forever. So get in, or you're going to miss out. And interest rates are going to rise very shortly, so I can tell you that. And we'll show you how to get ahead of that market so you'll have low rates forever. So, happy hunting. See you soon. Bye.